Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. We're just going to jump right in with the house items. I did get another box of tissues, 175 count, just to add to my stock. I got a pack of 150 count napkins. They've changed the packaging on these. And I got these for my nail art. Some E-Circuit super heavy duty batteries, AAAs. You get 8 batteries in here. I did get some cleaners today. I got the Lime Away toilet cleaner. This is my favorite toilet cleaner. I've repurchased this so many times. Same as the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. This is a bonus size today, so we got 30 in here instead of 24. They have these in a lemon scent, which is the one I picked up, so my favorite, a fresh scent, and a lavender scent. These are good for all the rooms of the house. 2 new cleaning and house items that I found at the Dollar Tree. The Great Scent air freshener. It's a limited edition scent, and it says it's a 6-in-1. It's in the scent Bourbon Vanilla. Not used it, not even smelled it yet, but I'm sure it's going to smell great. And then I saw this all-purpose cleaner, which is in a really snazzy bottle here. And it just has all-purpose peppermint sage all-purpose cleaner with plant-derived ingredients. 16 fluid ounces. So I can't wait to give this cleaner a try. And you'll probably see a review coming up on this. Maybe in this item too. There's a few things in my haul that I'm going to do a review on. It smells great. Let's just say that so far. Did pick up a couple more Christmassy items this time. I love this dish drying mat that they had. It has a red back on it, and it has red and green and white plaid. I just thought that was adorable. I'm getting ready to start decorating for Christmas. I'm filming this right now. It's still in November, but you probably won't see this till December. And then Connor has some fun Christmassy days coming up at school where they need like light up necklace and wear special shirts, special socks, jammies, all that fun stuff. His school loves doing that stuff. Well, I picked him up a light up LED necklace for these Christmas bulbs. Very cute. It does have a pull tab, so once that's pulled, there's no on and off switch and it just goes. Quick camera angle change. I wanted to share the rest of the items kind of up and close because we can talk about them. And I did get a couple more Christmas items. The first being, I found this in the Christmas aisle, these Snug-a-Doo adult socks. And they're the fuzzy socks. One size fits most. These are like a nice minty color with white polka dots. There's a cute bear on them. And they have green accents at the toes and the heels. Super duper cute. A stocking stuffer I found. This was not in the Christmas aisle. It was in the health and bath kind of aisle. The Nickelodeon, but I'm using this for a stocking stuffer. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. And this is a bath bomb crumbles and mutant apple scented. You get 2.11 ounces, and this is supposed to bubble, fizz, and crackle. So I thought that was really fun. Connor's gonna love that. I almost forgot to share the notebook I picked up. It's some new notebooks, but I needed a notebook anyways for making lists and writing things down that I don't want to forget, writing reviews. You get the drift. So from Jot, they had these notebooks in like a pink, a purple, and a teal color. 100 sheets, 1 subject notebook, college ruled. So just a basic notebook. I haven't picked these up in a while, but I needed some razors, and I picked up the Assured brand 5-blade razors. You get 3 of these in here. They do have a lubricating strip, a rubber handle, and 5 stainless steel blades. I've used these in the past. They're fine. They do what they're supposed to do. They do what they need to do. Yeah, I needed some razors. And then I'm always needing cotton balls. So these are the Assured brand 100% pure cotton balls and the 100 count. And I use these to remove my nail polish and in my nail art stamping. So I just needed them. The next couple items I'm really excited for. They are new to me and new to my store, and I will be doing reviews on these products. The Personal Care Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream with Vitamin E. This is 6 ounces, and it says it's made with natural coconut oil. You can use this on your elbows, body, knees, hands, and feet, pretty much anywhere on your body you want. It's just a thick cream. It smells really nice. I like the just jar simplistic packaging on this. And I think you get a pretty good amount for $1.25. So I can't wait to try this out and do a review. The next item is also from Personal Care, and it's the Green Tea Soothing Cleansing Milk. This says it instantly hydrates and refreshes skin and made with green tea. It's made without parabens, it's dye free, and it doesn't have silicones. It's 6 fluid ounces. And once again, pretty good size for $1.25. I like using cleansing milks to cleanse my skin, so I am extremely excited to try this out. Let's smell it. It smells nice and refreshing. And yes, kind of like green tea like it says. So, I love the green packaging. Yeah, it does have a pump. And it seems like it's kind of thick in there. Thick cleanser, so that's good. The next items are repurchases, but I picked up 3 of the Super Dry Quick Dry Top Coat, and this is their new improved formula. I bought 4 of these when I stocked up last time. This time I got 3 of them because I still have 1 left, but this top coat is really good. Like for example, I have 2 layers of top coat on my nails now. These nails, there's no wear around the tips or anything like that. I don't know how well you can see, but anyways, I've had these on for 7 days. And this is an LaColors nail polish. So this top coat is great for $1.25. It dries very quickly like it suggests, and it does give you that really pretty glossy finish. It seals in your designs and your nail polish. Proof. 7-day nails. So I got 3 of those. I picked up a nail polish they had there, and I will insert a swatch of this nail polish. They had a bunch of polishes from this brand called Candy Moyu. These, I saw some of the packaging and some like this out on the shelf, and they say they are vegan nail polishes. I will say that this is beautiful teal color with gold glitter shimmers running throughout it. It is a jelly base, so it is very sheer, and like I said, it is a jelly, so I am not surprised at the sheerness of this. It will take some building up because I did build it up for my swatch, but it's still so beautiful. I can't wait to wear this, and I think this is going to make a beautiful pond manicure with my nail art stamping. I'll probably see that coming soon. And yeah, I don't think it has a name, so I don't see any names on them. But super, super beautiful nail polish. And all the polishes put gel on their polishes. You don't need a UV light to use these polishes. They're not in blacked out bottles. This is a regular polish. The last item I got from DollarTree, and I'm pretty excited about this item. We'll be having a review coming on this as well. And it's the Be Pure Citrus Nail Conditioning Set. They have this in a berry scent and a citrus, and I always gravitate towards a citrus scent. And it has a citrus nail strengthener and a citrus cuticle conditioner. I think these would make really great gifts for someone, you know, maybe put together a nail basket, you know, put some nail files in there, put this in it, put a nail polish, you know, top coat, base coat kind of thing, like a little bag, some nail files. Yeah, very awesome. So you get your nail strengthener and a cuticle conditioner in there as well. So So it has some directions on the back. Super cute packaging as well. And I think it would even be cute if you're going to put like a gift basket together or something to add a citrus candle in there. Or if you got the berry one, put a berry kind of themed candle basket together. So this is the last item I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I can't wait to try out all these products and share reviews soon. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.